before we get into this video, I want to give a shout out to Heather's Spiders. I'll put the name up on the screen and I'll leave a link in the description. I've been watching her for a while and she has some really good vids and content. Very entertaining and funny. I think they're really good, but I don't think her channel gets enough love. She's only on 50 something subscribers. So I said I'd give her a little shout out, but I don't think it'll help much. I'm not big enough myself to be giving shout outs personally, but I said I would because they're really good. So please go check out her vids and her channel out, sorry. And let's get on to the video, which was yesterday's trip out. Hope you enjoy. Hello everybody, we decided to, you can see it's absolutely pouring it down, but we decided to go out and do like a little memory lane video where I was brought up and where my first, I wouldn't say tarantula or invert fascination come from, but wildlife and probably frogs, newts, tadpoles, fish, dragonflies. You get a bit of everything out here. And this is where it started. A pond, literally in the middle of a field in a little village. I used to spend all summer, even winter some days, but most summer days out here messing about on this pond. My younger years anyway. Once I got to a teenager, I didn't spend so much time out here. But I guess you could say this is the beginnings of my fascination in bugs. I just come around the other side of the pond here, and this is the bit we used to... Oh, sorry. It's like swamp down here. Our little hideaway. Jesus Christ. We used to bring a crate, milk crate, or whatever we could get our hands on. Plonk them down here and sit. And the bugs and everything, it's amazing what you see. In different times of year, it's all different things. Yeah, a little field. Instead of seeing rats like you do in the city, you see little field mice running backwards and forwards with things to feed the babies. But it's only little, but we loved it as kids. Right, so this is my street I was born and raised. Well, raised more like little village. But here where this roundabout is in front used to be, well, it was a road, but there used to be a farmhouse where these houses are. A working farm, I should say. So the back of the houses I lived in looked out onto just open fields, and that's what it used to be all the way down here. It's all been built on since I've left home, unfortunately. But it literally, we had all the animals, farm animals. We had donkeys, geese. What's the thing called with the big feathers, the green things?
Peacock.
Peacock. I tried to call it pelican. Peacocks, you name it. We had everything. Just giving you an explanation of why I love nature, apart from the pond, because I literally lived in it. But what we're going to do is we're going to get past these houses where they've now built, and it looks awful. And we're going to go out into the open country behind and show you that, because some lovely little pieces in there. Right, so we just walked up this road. Down there's where they built their houses on top of the farmland. Or got rid of the farmland and built houses. But at the end of the road, this is what my view used to be out of my window. Pure countryside. Probably boring to you lot, but when you live in the city after living in, well, a town, after living most of your life out here, you kind of appreciate what it looks like. You do miss it. So we're going to head off and find something else. Reminds me of the Lantern Parade.
Yeah. Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road, gotta hit the road. The sun and change in the atmosphere, architecture, I'm familiar. I can get used to this.